I want to take a break from existing. Being an immigrant and a daughter of immigrants from a developing country can be quite exhausting. So here I am, sitting in my emotions, because I know it'll pass, as it always does. Just woke up and already feeling consumed. I feel like there's no room for slowing down in the States. It's always go, go, go. I dance to shake off the feeling of dread. As soon as I go out, I'm expected to take up as little space as possible. Ugh, I absolutely hate this. But I also love the happy chemicals that my brain releases when I exercise. When I'm getting tired, I pretend that I'm running away from the embarrassing things I've said and done in the past. We're like plants. We need water to hydrate us, to clean us, to refresh us. Eating isn't just about pleasure, it's also about nourishment. So homesick, but I can't afford to fly home. One of my greatest fears is to be a foreigner in my own homeland. I also like to watch nature documentaries. I like being reminded of how small I am in this universe. I'm considered an alien in this country. Literally, I have an alien number. I want to be respected for my individuality and my different cultural background, but I also want to feel like I belong. It's an interesting dichotomy. I love observing plants and non-human animals just go about their day. I envy their simplicity to just be. That's why I like to fill my home with plants. They bring me so much joy. Creating art feeds a hunger in me. I just need to do it, or I'll go crazy. And yet, oftentimes, I wish that I didn't have such an intense drive to do it. If I wasn't so much into art, would my life be easier? Will my family be more proud of me? Are brown immigrant women allowed to pursue art as their profession? I wish I could shred these ugly thoughts and make them disappear forever. I can't take a break from existing, so the next best thing is to get away. I like to plan for trips. It gives me something to look forward to. Hope can make a huge difference in how my mind feels. Over the years, I've learned to love the color of my skin. It can be challenging when I'm bombarded with Western beauty standards by the media and my own family. No advice, no judgment. I like to be reminded that I'm not alone. I have my friends and my family to enjoy life with. If none of those work, that's fine. Sometimes I just need to feel what I need to feel. When I'm sick, getting good sleep makes me feel a lot better. My brain gets tired and overworked too, and it needs to recuperate. What are you most grateful for today?